everybody, welcome back to My Family Taxi. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get sprouted beans in your house. Very simple. I just got this Moong Dal. You can get it in any Asian store. You don't have to go to the Asian store if you have Tesco or Super Value or Dunn's anywhere nearby. Just you will get it anywhere in normal grocery stores. So what I've done basically is I've just soaked it last night. So just leave it for 12 hours to get it soaked. So when you're done, and I'm going to show you the rest of the process. Sprouted beans are very rich in protein, vitamin C and folic acid. It can be used on salads, which adds crunch to the salad, and you can make spring rolls and a lot of different things you can do with sprouted beans. And it's very easy and very simple. You can make at home. Now I'm going to show you how you can make sprouted beans at home. So basically I've taken 2 empty bottles of Pepsi, Coke, whatever you have. So I have the candle here, which I'm going to make few holes in these bottles. So you don't have to have a professional things to make a hole. So I'm just going to heat the tip of a scissor. So just going to make few holes. That's the first one. So maybe 3 or 4 holes will be okay for a bottle. So it's going to take a few minutes for me to do that. Oh, that was easy. That was easy.
I know.
Now we're going to fill these bottles with this soaked beans. So I'm going to let the boys do it because they were so excited to do it. So I'm going to let the boys to do it now. Come on, boys, fill it up. So that's done now, just less than a quarter. So I've given enough space for the sprouts to grow inside. So I will show you the rest. So we have filled the bottles now. So I'm just going to put the lids on. So that's number 1, that's number 2. So just cover these bottles with any plastic bag and leave it in a dark place where there's no sunlight. It takes about 24 to 48 hours. So we're going to show you in 48 hours time. It's been 48 hours now since we put those Moong Dal into these bottles. I just cut them open to see how well it's sprouted. I'm just going to put it in a bowl. You can see those Moong Dal beautifully sprouted. This beautifully sprouted Moong Dal is so rich in proteins and vitamins, and you can add it to any salads. It just adds crunch to your salad, and I'm going to show you what I normally make with the sprouted beans. This is a very simple recipe and it's very easy to make at home. I'm going to show you the ingredients, what's needed for this recipe. A medium-sized onions, and I have some curry leaves here. It's only optional. If you don't have it, it's okay. And there's some cumin seeds, some garlic cloves, and some diced coconut. I have some mustard seeds to fry them, and some chili flakes and some oils to season it. Now I'm going to get ready with the ingredients, and coconut is optional as well. If you don't have diced coconut, you can get grated coconut in Tesco or any grocery stores. Now I have the garlic in this. I'm just going to add in the cumin seeds. I'm just going to crush them. Now I have everything ready. I'm going to get started with the cooking. Now I have a spoonful of oil in a heated pan, and the oil is really hot now. So I'm going to add in some mustard seeds. This is just to season it. So just few mustard seeds. Now I added the garlic and the cumin seeds. Just wait until it's fried. Now I'm going to add in the curry leaves. And next comes the onions. fry them really well until it's brown. Now I'm just going to add in some chili flakes for a bit of spice. Just give it a good stir. Now I have the mustard seeds, cumin, garlic, onions and the chili flakes nicely fried in the oil. Now I'm going to add in the sprouted moong dal. I'm just going to add in some salt to taste, just enough. And I'm going to give it a good stir so everything is well mixed. Now I'm going to cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Do not add any water because it becomes too soggy. Just it will be perfectly cooked when you don't add any water, and it will be nice and crunchy. The flavors from the spice will be really nice. It's about 5 minutes now. I'm going to add in the diced coconut. I'm going to leave it for another 3 to 4 minutes. It's about 8 minutes now. It's well done. I'm just going to turn off the stove. I'm just going to put it in this bowl. Look at that. This will go very well with a non-vegetarian meal, either with chicken or lamb. Just goes as a side, or for vegetarian it'll be a main course as well. It'll be really healthy and full of proteins. Now I'm going to taste it. It's so good. Well cooked. The nutty flavor from the coconut is delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe to My Family Taxi for more episodes. Bye.